Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial we will create the pneumatic cylinder piston rod. For that we create this part. I select front plane, sketch, normal. First of all we create circle of 40 diameter. I select circle command, draw one circle here, right click, select option, smart dimension. Diameter of this circle 40 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to features, extruded boss base feature and extrude it up to 377 plus 17. Select mid plane. Here select 377 plus 17 mm. Select OK. Now select right plane, sketch, normal. Select rectangle command, corner rectangle. Draw one rectangle here and one rectangle here. Right click, select option. This is the cut of 3 mm this side from here to here. This is 17 mm. Smart dimension 17 mm. This side also 17 mm. And this is 3 mm. This is also 3 mm. Right click, select option. Come back from the sketch. Extruded cut. Select through all both sides. Select OK. Now select this face. Sketch, normal. Draw a circle of 30 mm diameter and extrude it up to 36 mm. Circle command, draw one circle here, right click, select option, smart dimension 30 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, extrude it boss base feature and extrude it up to 36 mm. Select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Draw circle of 30 diameter and extrude it up to 80 mm. Circle command, draw one circle here, right click, select option, smart dimension, diameter 30 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, features, extruded boss base feature and extrude it up to 80 mm. Select OK. Now this show M30 by 2.0 machine threads both sides. For that go to settings, document properties, detailing, check mark here, shaded cosmic threads. Select OK. Now go to insert, drop down the menu and select annotation. Here select cosmic thread. Select this face and this face. Select OK. This is M30 machine thread. Now this part is complete. Give it some color. I select yellow color. Select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.